news Alakai na as the spirit leads my country people. Kick 'em, catch 'em, kick 'em, una di hala, catch 'em. Na you the ring now for country, unchangeable change ademo. Adiala seveti, asaya kaye. When hand go for mob, if not before put something, now for hala. When I don't do them again, wonderful kind palava. 50 people, country people, 50, so straight like a ruler. Accident, West Region, Sancho, that hill now, wow, wonderful kind palava. Anyway, the salon of outside the country people, no make accident, make and someone forget for salute my country people. How una body there for inside clothes. I know say they select better, proper, local. God go bless una sote. But blood no go come out at all. I don't always talk say when I forget about December, maybe I no concentrate only on inside December for pray. The year they can't end, we pray. Baba thing they happen. Now lie. Those guys they be intelligent. They shift them to January or February. As a year they end for January, na day you will pray. Pray until something happen. If there is a man to pray, there is a God to answer. No stop for prayer. Prayer is the key. Just see what happen. Small Taiwan yes, they run by 100 buses, they run by 50 camions, they run this. Oh, Jesus. Wonders shall never end. Anyway, more live and proper. Frank Alakain agreed. Noel Alakain, chapeau. Now God get power. Man no be God. Because if a man be get power, or if a man be God, some wonderful kind of thing that happen. Anyway, when I join me, make we tap some more inspiration before we come back and start the program for today, my country people. Tapping inspiration, I that for small television. Thank you, technician Alakan. You bring them for big television. Life is good when you are happy. But life is better when other people are happy because of you. People may not reward you or thank you for what you do. But when God is your reason for giving, my country people, proper, you receive greater blessings in return. They talk for own book where we know my country people, proper for pidgin, linga franca, country people, proper. Say life fine when you dey happy. But life over sweet when you dey happy. When you dey make other people dey happy. Life fine when you dey happy, but the life over sweet when you dey make other people then they happy. People not gonna feel thank you or dash you something for say you don't be good for them. But when you dey do good, when na God the maker you do the good, continue for the do the good, my countryman. You go get big blessing from God in return, my country people. Always do good, countryman. If I for be good, always do good. Thank you plenty, technician. It's good to be good. Always do good. Technician, God will bless you. Blood and no go come out at all. I used to talk when I teach how to play. Bad attitude, they like a flat tire for motor. If you not change that bad attitude, you know they go nowhere. This one they go for specially woman them on a listing. So that bad attitude, it like a flat tire for motor. You not change and forget. You know go shake. You know they go nowhere. Am I communicating? Anyway, some people they already have say, yeah, you papa. Add volume. I put volume, man. God bless you. Unchangeable change and demo. God go bless you, na blood and not go come out. I don't always tell when I say for Inside News Alakan Infotainment Show on my major Prime TV, man celebration na a slot where we celebrate our own. Celebrate our Cameroonian sons and daughters the way they don't do much for impact their community. They don't do much for raise the flag of our nation, Cameroon, up, home and abroad, my country people. We hail them, we celebrate them, spare them, encourage them, tell them, say, we thank them for which way they don't do so that others will copy for do so that Cameroon will be great again. Man celebration for today. Now you be this. Television would tell their story for year in name na Augustine Ayok Eyong na president for Dagos Union Consulting, my country people. Proper company where it bring opportunities for Cameroonian them home and abroad. This particular Dagostina Ayok Eyong na education consultant at Grace Foundation for Cameroon president at Tempsa Football Club, na film producer, director for Nuan Studios, educational recruitment specialist at Dagos Union Consultancy, na a cultural promoter my country people, an artist, Papa Droit Chemin country people at 30s. He don't carry flag for Cameroon, home and abroad for his own domain, my country people, as he always celebrate my new people themselves, as he come out for that side to my country people, and the Cameroonian brother de my country people. Home and abroad as I be the talk, he don't raise flag for a poor village, Cameroon, for up my country people, for his own domain. And they call it say the Moses of his generation, because inside traveling Palava, he be number one country people inside a poor village, my good people. Today, inside man's celebration for news Alakine infotainment TV show on my major prime television, we celebrate D'Agostino Ayok Eyong country people, the PDG country people for Dagos Union Consulting. I hail you, countryman. We celebrate you, encourage you, appreciate you. Say make you continue for do the better work we done the work for raise the flag of our poor village Cameroon inside here and abroad my country people, so that others they go look and to say yes. Now so I feel do and to for raise the flag of my nation country people. If you hear me say I hear you, Papa my country people, proper. This one na man Alakine man celebration for today. Thank you plenty technician Alakine. We don't talk say always we go always celebrate our own. Our own. What's come to the worst. Your people comes first. We celebrate our own, tell the world, say we own them day. We're not going to wait when we picking them die before we celebrate them. They can't buy coffee and alive. We'll tell their story now. So now, man celebration that for today. Congratulations, D'Agostino Ayok Eyong. God bless you. Blood, it no go come out at all. Technician, paper they tell we say what today.
God bless you. Je vous bénisse.
Okay, we're going to go for newspaper before we come for the one first, technician. Thank you. God bless you. May we see what paper they talk after we will flash that one country people. What's the paper they talk for today? The paper the talks away today for small television official. If you know them, we just go directly technician. No problem. Proper. Thank you very much. We deal with the Herald newspaper for today. The Herald, it would start with time where the Herald the talks today. So business don't start. You not gonna be the same again. Now so Prof Fru Angwa for it talk. And I not say Professor Fru Angwa for a big boss for the assembly. Don't put them for chair for regional Palava for Northwest. It's a work the start one time. I saw the Herald newspaper. It try for tell we my country people. At Tanganji, it don't talk to me traditional ruler them, then like their country proper. And I saw the paper they tell we. Honorable Ango Olivia, country people through PSS for that side for Mankong, it go give them dash assistance because fire be born the place. The Sun newspaper today for outside my country people. Limbe people, holla, say water in no day. Wonderful kind of lava. See for image for front day. People return for line for carry water. It no easy for Limbe. What I wait you? Oh, and this thing start now as football starts. So Chief Peter, nah, he make a mark country people. Chief Peter na mayor for Tico. He don't make a mark. He name don't start come up for book. Say the work find my country people. I saw the Sun newspaper. They tell we 18 years old Pekin he die. He die body they take and turn with them for the whole Bamenda. When I don't see this 18 years old Pekin, if they amongst the people where they talk say gun be take them just of recent for Northwest region. The reporter too, na another paper there for outside. The reporter they tell we say Papa Pombia he don't appoint secretaries generals them country people. The paper they talk about Japanese government say he go help for Bill Sawers region. The paper they also talk say where food program for that side for East region, it go give refugees and chop. About 250 tons of chop. You go get because I know say crisis day for that side for this place where they call and say Central Africa region refugee that they enter plenty. The Crown today outside my country people. Wait till this paper they talk. The Crown the talk say Ndian it don't record first COVID-19 case country people. First COVID-19 die body it don't be recorded from Ndian side my country people. The paper they talk away Mundemba Council it don't put 830 million for down the 2021 council session budget. The paper talks say Prime Minister John Gute. It don't talk say Northwest and Southwest region. Team they go better, proper, my good people. No be we will talk na Paper talk. Frank, come back for my skin for your proper. As I kick and so when I catch 'em. Hello. I invite all one of my country people. One textile salute Prophet Majesty Ayok Raymond Ayok. Now this country people. And I founder of Hope, Fountain of Hope Ministry International for Dido. Tonton Sami, Dido Plash with Tonton Sami. Then a patron for Grass to Grace Humanitarian Organization. My country people too for Cameroon will hail you, sir. On the 7th of this month, with the Council of February, they'll get special healing, deliverance, miracle, prophetic service. Now Sunday, men no man no miss and countryman. Yeah, it will be in a news all kind. People that will take their crush yourself, work out. So we don't eat time. So now we partner for radio here and for TV here. We will start pass the publicity as from tomorrow. So now we'll see and benefit with our families and when we go for this. So my country people, we salute Pastor Elvis. God bless you too. Blood and no go come out for the good work way. When I work for that side. Wait till they come now, technician. Wait till they come now. Now wait till they come. May we see wait till they come now. Eh?
Mama me, don't do it. Skiddy boy, the boy. Mama me, skiddy boy. Skiddy boy. Hey. A skiddy boy that goes so. Hey.
Okay, thank you, technician. Proper. God bless you. Silence and me said no comments. Skiddy boy. Now it go so when wind go blow, we go know. As we go see Enos for foul. Even though when investigation open for a poor village, my country people proper, you know the close food. I don't want to ask the question. Say investigation for a poor village. Now Ashawo. That is the question, my country people proper. Wait till they come next on board, technician. Me see am. Thank you very much, technician. Small secret, 9 that for small television. Technician go bring them back for big television. They call and say cloves. Yeah, the cloves na magical country people. We hear say cloves na magic. Cloves na magic countryman. 9 that. They call and say box matches. They use themselves for cook achu. They use them for cook kind fine thing. The particular cloves, so the year say they used to use themselves country people for make Auntie Jessica make tight country people proper. So that Mr. Diman go talk say yes, thing that they happen. Wonderful kind palaver. But for today, for cloves, so the year say there's so cloves. And if you get respiratory tract infection, just take 3 eye cloves. 3 eye as this, so you boil water. When the water don't boil, you drop it inside the water for cup. You mix them, then you inhale them. 5 minutes, you inhale them, you move them 5 minutes. Do so 3 times a day. When you get respiratory tract infection, wait, trunk. Would even hear say it we don't canal, so we don't key do kind thing, cloves the dégage them. Proper, hot cloves, 3. Just 3 eye. Take and put them for inside water. Hot water we don't boil, drop and the 3 eye. You cover them. You mix and you open the water now. When that vapor come out, you inhale them for 5 minutes. You come back, you inhale them again for 5 minutes. Do so 3 times a day. My brother, this thing is magic. Wonderful kind palaver. As we kick and so on a day for catch 'em. Technician, thank you. God bless you. Blood no go come out to at all. I used to check my sense. My never select better. Would spend money, buy clothes, buy drawers, buy innerwear, buy shirt, buy everything, trousers, skirt, do everything, cover our body. So hundreds of thousands, millions for spend money. We forget for no say the most beautiful things on earth. They enjoy and are without clothes. Proper. You know the end. Anyway, I decided to now when I just joined the program just now. Make you not forget say on the 6th of February for End Time Reconciliation Embassy, Patom will be the senior pastor, will be the AK Prince, the most powerful gospel artist at now in Cameroon, will be there. Would want to smile and sing for peace concept. Will launch them. So come there, you get empowerment, they'll empower you. You come there, you will get job employment. You come there, you get mini medical checkup. Plenty benefits there. Just come, you must gain. Call me, say I want be there. Just come, proper. Technician, thank you for your order to come on board. We'll see I'm country people, proper. Now in this a small television, for big television, and now we will see I'm a country people. Now in that wonderful kind of palaver. When I say a motor carry plenty cocoa and people, and plenty, the motor don't broke into two. If this motor be fit talk, solo beton. Yes, my brother. Now my motor this so. I'm not sure say the driver where they drive this motor na motor, because if na your motor where you suffer sweat by them, you cannot, you know, if you destroy and so. This is wickedness. I mean, this is witchcraft in broad daylight. Wonderful kind of palaver. If something not be your own, you know, if you take care for the thing 100%. If you not be you be the vision bearer, you not even know how they dream. Am I motor that? See, really like kind image. One that shall never end for poor village. Hey, my country people. Hey, thank you, technician Alakain. Okay. Hello, woman. Hey, Karifundo Koti oye for Juala. I don't know Karifundo Koti. Me c'est le nouveau délégué du gouvernement de city mayor. Place where Tonen left undone. You fit try help now. You know, easy, Karifundo Koti. When I don't try, every day come. Now if you say, woman way, if she don't quiet inside traffic from Dokoti. Ha! Wonderful kind of palaver. If you support married, where you want. If you respect traffic from Dokoti, you be woman. Married where you want. If you support them. We'll go with technician. And that we'll start kick him. Now they catch him. Kick him. Catch him. Now number one, this country people. We'll be talking then, as according to official information of the year, about 50 people now so don't sleep so like a ruler 50-53 and 30 don't survive. Now that Sancho breached this flyover where they go from Chang, Sancho from Chang, country people. Where say truck and 70-seater, truck will be carried fuel with 70-seater motor, they make lobby kiss. Mwah. Wonderful kind of palaver. When I know say the one they happen, so after Dikidibinike, where about 40-something people be died, the same two for night. So they will start question traveling in the night just now because something will happen. Something to know go big country people. Governor Fonka as we there for work country people. Wonderful kind of people. Don't carry plenty, then go hospital. For that side for Bafusam, carry one, they go hospital. For that side for Chang. Horrible kind incident. One that shall never end, my country people. People born, if they show you the real images, how human being then they, you go check your sense, your head no go select better. I don't talk say if there is a man to pray, there is a God to answer. People don't shift that thing for January. Proper. Now Africa they no. So pray, you go jump and pass. One that shall never end. Now only hear some kind thing them. Blood of Jesus. Holy Ghost. Kick him. All I want them there for catch him. Now mommy, now the mommy now I be shoot some man shoe for parliament. Boss the my head. Boss gun Richard head. Mommy damn joya. Proper. Your husband day of late. Now then get to see you the party, CDU, I beg you country people proper. Now may now for for that side for this place, country people for that side for Papa and Damjoya e country. Papa and Bombon Joya e country. Fumban side day. It is vexed so they don't make party, they don't make pacha for them. They make pacha, say political party, they need respect and proper. They don't make pacha for the regional election there. So you don't say go carry and go court. Now book them that don't move them. For sure say they don't respect plenty article, this and that, proper. Think you judge the all kind. If I mean the hot, proper, I tell them say a line of a green. Play with master liver for you don't carry, I go before. When I know say Fumban this one are their own, since been sang Jongu Foncha. Now CDU. Okay, man, come on, go me from Konye. Kick him. Catch him. Konye road, yes, say bad for that side. For come out in Konye, go reach for the other neighboring village. Villagers don't talk, say, okay. As Napoleon, no one can help them. Then, say with their name now, they will be turned Moses to, of their generation to help, strong my help himself. So themselves, they dig the gutter, cover the roads. The one at Koba village, that side from Konye road. They say, well, commodity village come for Konye and the rest, we no day. Farm to market roads, no day. Chop the spoil for bush. Do one a dry season for any season. Move me there. Now pop on done. So now the inhabitants they say for they say we go try we own. Any idea when I take group town now so they for all side for inside our poor village. You know better for no side, now just for prayer. It will happen one day by the special grace of God. Somebody say, May we enter here gospel truth for today.
The brother under the canopy. Your wife is at home, but you are here with a lady. What kind of prayer you want to offer? What do you hear us preaching this morning? Your wife is at home, even trying to cook food for you, down. But you are here with one lady. For the brother under the canopy. Your wife is at home, but you are here with a lady. What kind of prayer you want to offer?
Oh, the woman, poor woman there also. Papa Tibojo, thank you for fishing him out. The poor woman there house. He try to prepare chop that he don't go TB. Me come back with small better testimony. You go take Slay Queen, put her under armpit, side chick. You go church and they don't move you. What do you want? Now that kind of they go for football. He say, chai, woman for corner. They refree the cheat. So you don't woman for your corner. You play. You chop na shawarma. You know the nonsense man. See face. Kick him. Another thing they say, catch him. Now in that country, people na see him. I don't always advise when I say, if you want to do your document, go for GO's office, go for governor's office, go for this public office. They be legal, open job, they'll do them for you. If you just meet all this fraudster, the way they just gum for ministerial buildings, for Yaoundé, for governor's office, GO's office, or any sign, that guy, they get stamped, they get even Paul Biya stamp, they get all stamp, all administrative stamp them. They cut and nail them for them, and then they catch them. When I see GO, SGO from Fundi, they talk, now they advise say, make any man make document, go for place where it be legal. No go to see the roadside guy, then just enter them. Now we shep there from Fundi, they talk so they don't catch them. They catch them plenty. Country people system, all the things on a fraud, and it go past country people. All kind document they figure you. One that shall never end is a President Paul Biya a country. Kick him, na me. Catch him, na ngwa. This particular one, so, na Papa Sokojo, His Royal Majesty, for that site where they call and say Baminju. Now, I say, now Papa this way, I don't talk, say me shut up him up. Now, that Papa this way, Gio, shep there for that side, send the book, say me over make noise, me over the blast, Papa Pombia, a governor. But if Papa don't talk, say lie to lie, should I for down. You must be right, you must talk it in. Say freedom of speech, it be necessary. So they don't talk me, the Papa should don't call. I want to happen so way, Gio, the write that letter, Papa Tanganji too. He don't go for that side for West Region. He call all the chief, they don't say for West Region. So una work fine. Una be people that want to work hand in glove for government. I'm not supposed to criticize government. Government now una be government. We will be together for build this nation. And so Papa Nji, I think I tell them my country people proper. We'll get another one, fire explosion on a gun explosion. Kick him, on the catch him. This one happened with that side for Aziri. A bomb explosion for Aziri. New Church Junction for Bamenda Day. Now who they do them? That is the question. Oh, man, no, they know country people. Country people just hear back, boom, country people. The way the bomb explosion don't start being now. For Northwest region, people they fear for Waka. You just see some place high. You know if you know tomorrow. So the time bomb the plenty. When I not say Rengenge people, they don't change strategy. Rengenge people now they put their gun, their explosive underground. They do some kind of thing. They give military plenty work before military one can pass. As the bomb scatter place country people. One that shall never end. When will this crisis finish? Ma broke a big book for Queen Elisa. The Queen of England, where you there? Papa Biden. I hope so, you know, lady can bring the other put away in a backside people bend them and knock this back. You can't solve thing over here. Any other thing they come back with your friend, God bless you. God bless you, blood no will come out. Hello. Salute to now. No matter how tasty you be, some kind water no matter how tasty you be, some kind water do you no find for drink and from some kind people their hand. No matter how tasty you be. Because when people give that water a drink, tomorrow you want here for Carrefour, they say they be giving a wine. Am I communicating? This song la playing. Look at your corner, the day. Look at your right, they look at your front, they look at your back, the proper. Man, kick him on a catch him. Kick him. Catch him. Special invitation. Na Patom and a crew and news all kind infotainment shows, Crash Your Eye. They invite una country people, all una for Bonaberry, all una for Douala. Say on the 6th country people of February, may no man no miss them. All road leads to End Time Reconciliation Embassy for back cat attached for Bonaberi, dedicated attached for this side for Bambutus, for ride the country people. With the launch, Smile and Sing for Peace concept. Gashumia, look the handsome gospel artist Alakain. Papa Nyanyang, he go be the senior pastor, one of Cameroon's most celebrated comedian of all time. He go be the Memano Misamo. AK Prince, this one the season are the most celebrated gospel artist of for 21st century. The guy too much country people. Now the prophet this will be for a church, Prophet Collins, where he open the door for we. We thank you, Prophet Collins, for giving us your door. Say we open this particular event for they go for other regions, other doors. Divine Princess to get for be there. No miss them. Divine Princess go be there, country people. We'll go for other villages, other doors, even Silas go be there. So you can imagine. When I know one good way go be there. When you come there, you go learn how to make this way that they call and say this so liquid soap and eau de javel. Njor, they'll teach you how to make I know buy soap again. They go give you picking or you work. If you find work, employment opportunities go be because networking, it go beat the countryman. They go do some minor health checkup for all una way, una go come country people proper so that make una life it better. Make no man no miss and all Bonaberi, everybody being invited. 6 February, Saturday, as from 4. All things go don't start for day. Pa Tom self, he did for the master for microphone. You imagine when I did for something and all kind of countryman. Proper. Smile and Sing for Peace. Thank you very much. The young, energetic prophet of love. Thank you, Frank. Make us see what today on board for the other one them. God bless.
Achiri, Asia. No, continue, Achiri, continue, Achiri. Where, Asia? You dey give one poster, Achiri. You dey give one poster. Okay, they give one poster, boy. Achiri, Asia. No, continue, Achiri, continue, Achiri. Where, Asia? You dey give one poster, Achiri. You dey give one poster. Okay, they give one poster.
Well, mommy don't sleep still like a ruler. Party cry. When I disturb you, one boast of it, say here, even at myself. Anyway, that boast go look at you. And so some of us will drive motor for Douala here. Only buttocks for women, they make us, especially Benz, them. You don't feel carry someone, you back the touch 1,600 Bobby. You know correct. You carry a whoop, you look pap. And I cause most accidents. You see under that image where we pass today, countryman. I salute all now, thank all now. But I want to talk say the most dangerous creature for this world na a fake friend. The most dangerous creature for this world na a fake friend. Because if you give you hand so, open the road, but for back, it choke you with knife. For back, it gossip your name. For back, it do horrible things away if you be see him. Countryman. So check your friend when they for your corner for this 21st century. 2021. Now fake friend I get on a good friend. The most dangerous creature on earth. Now fake friend. Fake. Ish! This song playing. You be fake friend or you know be one. Anyway, if you know be fake friend, God bless you, blood. It no go come out at all. Thank you, Frank Alakain. Thank you, Noel Alakain. God go bless you, now blood it no go come out. Now God get power. Man it no be God. Now all the time again. Oh!
Of the Spirit leads. News à la carte. News à la carte. News à la carte. Auf das